Ladies and gentlemen, it is 2 EST on July 9th. This is FOMC release, and this is our brick wall, the end of the minor trend spelled out by the price since overnight formations. This is where price struggling immensely. Not much of a response so far. So will the price have enough power to blast through to this level and fly to reversal zone? Very, very important level next, 1967 and all the way to 1970. But this remains critical. This is the most important level in the market structure. What will price do next? Will it find phenomenal selling pressure? Let's monitor very, very carefully. This completely had been expected since this morning as we've been discussing this level in detail. Here are the minutes and here is the latest release. This is what just had been released on FOMC. Officials felt that using both the interest on excess reserves and reverse repo facility could be used in policy normalization. That is extremely secondary to me. This takes a priority. The end of the minor trend respected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. Bullish trend struggling immensely as spelled out by the price since actually yesterday lunchtime. Let's see what price will do next. So here we are 9 minutes after FOMC release and the price is struggling immensely 9 hours later to break through the end of the minor trend spelled out by the price since yesterday. What will price do next is very important. This is a brick wall. This is the most important level in the market structure. It is to be adored as we always have minor trend. We not always have major trend, and that remains the key. So very jittery, dense, not very exciting FOMC. But we knew how exceptionally critically this level will be. The long trade we'd taken in the trading room from 1960 to 75 is only essential, as we discussed, to respect this level and get out of the trade before FOMC release. 1.25 points later. And this is reminder the danger of being in a trade. The most beautiful trade could end up being completely negative if you decide to stay in a trade. I'm allowing price to settle down. Don't be surprised if the rally will pick up this steam and price will blast through this level all the way to 1970. This remains the key as we're watching buyers picking up this steam. Finally the brick wall will be broken with vengeance. This is what creates such a brutal struggle. What will price do next as our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 price had not been able to break this level. So here's this fantastic rally finally blasted through this level. Will it take a pause at decision point 2? 8-hour struggle at the minor trend prior FOMC and during finally is over 19 minutes later. This is next level. And that's how price moves time and time again. That's a magic puzzle that continue playing out across multiple time frames. So here we are at 2:30 EST on a beautiful July 9th, and our beautiful trade and our beautiful wave at decision point 2. So will it have enough juice to continue further up? That's the magic of the price. Price spelled out all these levels since yesterday. And if you knew where these levels are, you knew where to acquire long yesterday around lunchtime. And here we are. All the levels spelled out by the price had been reached. I have to leave, guys, but don't be surprised. The price will blast through this level until 1970 area. That remains the most critical level. That's where we're gonna find out if bullish trend is capable to override sellers. I honestly would be quite pleasantly surprised. But that's the magic of the puzzle, and that's why I love what I do. Fibonacci is magic. And that's what we'll be teaching in Fibonacci Bootcamp as of July 28th. Our beautiful trade reached all of our targets, and our beautiful wave taking a major pause at decision point 2, as we expected the price finally to blast through these levels, and that's why we had taken long from 1962 50.75 area. So have an amazing afternoon and look forward to seeing you in Fibonacci Bootcamp. Ciao.